went to Central Branch Primary School to give the students a motivational speech and also encourage them never to be afraid to set your goals and go for it.
You have to provide. Don't let it be. Alright? So first, you want to become a doctor, you want to become a successful entrepreneur, the things. You start off this way, but you don't want to end that. Because at the end of the day, what is destined for you. So sometimes you have to sit back, take a breath, think while you're going.
The same teacher that was teaching me in high school, that was my same teacher in college, and it went from there. My life now is
dancer, her themselves. We now have doctors to look after them. Yeah. Any other profession? Artists. The artists, right? We go into the program and we open a whole world of dance to you. So as much as you learn and you love dancehall, there's traditional folk forms to learn about. Coming and thinking, rockings, and together, all these things, and then you have so far. In a short space of time, earlier this year, I took her to Korea, where she performed and represented Jamaica. I took Christopher to Korea. Right, girls? Doesn't it mean a lot to you for them? Yes. Right. So really thank you so much, and thank you for not giving up on your communities, right, and being there for your communities, and uplifting your communities by way of dance, by way of education, right? That's his education, and so thank you so much for doing like sticking with your people, with your communities, and not giving up on your communities. Thank you so much. Yeah, man. And with that being said, okay, I didn't know there was more of you, but don't worry, I got you guys. I got you. Right? I'm gonna get you 2, 3 more. No, get to one. Take it one here. Yeah. How far am I gonna get you one here? Here. So take it away. Thank you so much. Yeah, and this, thank you. And this, all of them. Yeah. Thank you so much. So let me just declare this, that until Stacey get the rest of things them tomorrow, nobody to my basket. Chantal, your ear? Nobody to my basket. Christina, your ear? Nobody to my basket.
I was told that it was my basket first.
Then, my dear, look how him allowed we up on enough him basket.
No, let me pass it on to the person.
So let me just say what Mr. Hall just said.
Nobody to our basket. Nobody. You were saying?
Yes.
No, Shelly, let's go.
Of course, you know look a dancing for one, right? 4 of them in a one place and them the dance. We're now teaching them some foundation dance moves.